Hi everyone, let me share something very exciting which is going to be a great asset as a researcher. We have launched openscienceart.com. It is a website where you can download free scientific illustrations and 3D models that you can edit, that you can use in your research papers, presentations, theses, research proposals, and so on. So we want to grow this as one of the largest open repository for scientifically accurate illustrations and 3D models. And you can simply go to openscienceart.com and you will find the website. It is highly optimized for mobile as well, so you can easily access the website from mobile. All you need to do, simply click on any icon that you want to download. There is a very powerful search section where you can type and search for the icons that you want. For example, let me type pipette. You can see a related icon is appearing here. And by the way, we are building this in our free time, so you can expect many more illustrations being uploaded in the coming weeks and months. And you can see there are powerful filters based on which you can filter the illustrations based on category, based on subject, based on the license, and also based on the file type. If it is an SVG, it will be a 2D illustration. If it is dot blend, it will be a 3D model. And we will add one-click filters like this on the main homepage. If you click on cellular process, all the icons related to cellular process will be shown here. And if you click on 3D models, you can see 3D models, which you can simply click on download, and it will download a Blender project file like this. You can see if you have installed Blender in your computer, you can straight away use those 3D models. We will try to add files in different formats going along. And by the way, this will be grown by the contribution from the scientific community. That is how we are planning to, make this a very dependable, very rich repository. You can see here a submit button. If you click on that, it will take to a form. If you have any icons, illustrations that you would love to contribute to the scientific world, you can come here and fill the form and click on file upload, and you can upload the files. We will review them, and it will be published on the website. And when it gets published, you will get a notification email, and you can see more illustrations and images here. This is a very powerful way. If you click on download more, we have connected the website to Wikimedia Commons. It is one of the largest repository for free images, illustrations, even 3D models, and even videos. So if I simply type graphene and search, you can see there are many options. You can even see there are more than 3,000 pages. So yeah, if you click on this graphene, you can see this is a very nice illustration. If you click on download, straight away it downloads a SVG icon. You can click on view on Commons. It will take you to the Wikimedia Commons page where you can find more details about that icon. Okay. And similarly, you can use it for searching images, drawings, even audio, video. Yeah, so primarily for images and illustrations. Okay, you can see there are very nice graphs and so on. Most of them are SVG. That is good. Here you can see one example. This is a PNG image. Make sure that you are aware about how these licenses are set. If it is public domain, you can simply use right away. For other licenses, you will have to give credits when you are using it in your publication or presentation. For example, this one, see, this is an SVG image, but it is a very nice image. You can straight away use it in your presentation. Okay. All right. So we have also added one section. If there is enough interest, we will keep it, or you can simply go to MolDraw.com and access it directly from there. So this is a ChemDraw alternative. Using this, you can draw chemical structures. So if I click on benzene and click here, see a benzene structure, and I can add bonds, I can add chains, you can see atoms here. If I click on one of the atoms, see, I can add functional groups, and I can select the entire structure. And here you can see there are many more options. Layout, cleanup will clean up the structure and it will make it ready to use by making all the bond angles and everything accurate. Yeah, it is a very powerful editor for creating scientific drawings of molecules. Okay, so that's about it. So let me know your feedbacks and suggestions. I will try to add a chat box or something here so that you can add your feedbacks. Okay, so right now this has more than 500 icons, so it will continue to grow. You can see most of them are from NIH BioArt. Most of the icons are created by Ryan Kissinger. He's a scientific illustrator, and we are also uploading icons from our library, and we have uploaded few of the icons from Servier Medical Art. Okay, so yeah, please share this with your friends, colleagues, lab mates, your PI, students that could benefit, doctors, material chemists. Okay, so thanks a lot. And if by any chance you also are interested in volunteering in helping this maintaining or growing this library, you are welcome to join. You can simply send me a message on email, rafiqmavoor@gmail.com. See you in the next video.